We are on the boardwalk in Atlantic City, and look at this. They always patrol over here. Hi. That's awesome. So come here and always feel safe. There's all kinds of places to eat. All kinds of clothing stores if you want to get your palms read. This is so much fun. We are here June 2025. It's not really that crowded, but it's a good crowd. We'll be back in July and it will be mob then. Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glen from Atlantic City. We are at Biergarten on the boardwalk, and here is our friend.
My name is John. It was wonderful having you all, and I hope you come back again when you're in town.
Thank you. Tell me what your specialty is. How many beers do you have?
You're asking the wrong guy. So I usually work at our beach bar, but I believe there's 30 some on tap, and most of them are German beers.
Okay. What would you suggest to have to eat?
My favorite would be the cheese curds and the raclette grilled cheese, but I add bacon.
All right. Thank you so much.
problem.
We'll see you next time. Thank you, sir. So we are at the Biergarten in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. The specials tonight are European sausage, pepper, onions, spring roll, with French fries, Reuben with coleslaw and gold. Oh look at, this is where we are staying. It's at Tropicana. Tropicana is right over there. We're right on the beach. Look at this. I think this is Bungalows, and we tried to go there the other day, but they weren't even open. So we will find out how much and what time they are open. But here we are. And here's the Glen. Oh, look at this Jenga. Who wants to pull it?
Whoever's already been here, take the order. Whoever has already been here will take the order.
I saw that. Okay, so here we are. Oh my gosh, I can't even get this. Alright, so this is the menu. Pretzel, cheese curds, fries, shrimp, tuna, wings, potato pancakes, yikes, sausage platter. We are from Florida, and there is a German restaurant in Sanford that they are everything about German food. Hollabacks. So let's see what we have here. Draft beer. Oh my gosh, look at all of these.
So what is that beer right now? I brought her a sample of this.
What is it?
It's a cider that we have. She thinks she'll like it. I'm just going to drop this off. I'll be right back.
Look at this. I hope you can see this. It's so windy. It's going. Cocktails, bottles and cans. Grilled tequila. Oh my gosh, what is that? Grilled tequila. Great music. So there is no description on the bill here, but what we got was Glen got a beer, a German beer. I got a Bacardi and Coke and the pretzel, and that was the $39.39. It's a good number to play. Okay. See you next. Oops. So windy. See you next time.
Wolf dog. He's 70% gray wolf.
Can I pat him or is he?
Yeah, just put the camera down. So
Real nice black and gray ones.
He's so handsome. You're tired.
your husband's Instagram is his thing.
He's tired. Thank you.
All right.
He's so tired.